Well, hello, my honors. I know it's later than 6 o'clock. I'm moving a little bit slow this afternoon, but I want to talk about fractional exponents. So when you have a base raised to a power, but the power has a denominator, that's new. The other two things are not new. So if the power's positive, that means do nothing. There's no effect. But if the power's negative, remember that means flip it. Take the reciprocal. Then, the number in the numerator of the power, we've done that. That's what you usually think of when you think of a power. So that's the number of the base, number of bases to multiply together. It's getting dark. To multiply together. So, when I said 2 cubed, that's what you think of. You say you have 3 2's multiplied together, which is 8. So the n is the new thing, and the n is really the index of the radical to take. So if I say what's 9 to the 1/2 power, it's positive, so it means don't flip it, don't take the reciprocal. It's 1, so we have 9 to the first power, or leave it alone. This means take the square root, because there's a 2 in the bottom. It's the index of the radical. So another way to write this would be square root of 9, which of course is 3. So if I said, what is 27 to the 1/3 power? You would say, well, the bottom's 3, that's cube root. Oh, I'm having a flashback. Something is coming in my head. Reese's cup. Ooh. So anyways, that would be cube root of 27, which is 3. So the bottom number is the radical that you're supposed to take. So if I have 16 to the negative 3/4 power, that means at some point I need to flip the base, take the reciprocal. At some point I need to cube it, and at some point I need to take the 4th root. And you can do any one of the 3 at any time. So I like to get the smaller number, so I'm going to take the 4th root. So we would have 16, the 4th root raised to the negative 3. So the 4th root of 16 is 2, because there's 4 2's in 16. So this would become 2 to the negative 3. 2 cubed is 8. Negative means flip, so it's 1/8. So if I said, what is 4 to the 3/2 power? That means at some point I need to... I'm sorry. My candy just went in on my screen, so sorry about that. But, so this 2 means take the square root at some point, and this 3 means I must cube it at some point. So I'm going to do the square root first, just so I have smaller numbers. So I'd have square root of 4 cubed. So square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. So there's 3 parts to every power. Do I flip it or not? Do I take the reciprocal? How many bases to multiply together? And the index of the radical. So right now, try this problem for me. What is 8 to the 2/3? So the 2 means at some point I square it. The 3 at some point means I need... Oh, wait a minute. I'm going into another dream. Oh. So 3 means cube rooted at some point. So the cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Oh. It just froze. Sorry about that. That was not my fault. I don't know why it froze. So cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So try this one. 81 to the negative 3/4. So that means 4th root of 81, which is 3. 3 cubed is 27. Flip it. Take the reciprocal, so it's 1 over 27. So what would this be? 4/25 to the negative 3/2. Go ahead and figure it out for me, please. Okay. The 2 means it's on the bottom, so I got to square root this. So that would be 2/5. The 3 means cube it. That would be 8. 2 cubed is 8. 5 cubed is 125. The negative power means reciprocate it, so flip it, flip it, flip it. So that's your answer. So one last problem I want you to do for me. What is 32 raised to the negative 2/5? Figure that out, and then I'll do it. Okay. That means 5th root of 32. The 5th root of 32 is 2, because there's 5 2's in 32. Then 2 squared is 4. Negative means flip it. 1/4. That wasn't too bad, was it? I hope not. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.